Going on, everybody? It's Kyle back at you with another video, and a video straight from the mouth of one of the world's leading fasting experts. So I published this article last night, making the video today for you guys. Before I get into that, don't forget to pick up your copy of The Panda Diet. It's one of the top selling fasting books in the world. It's been crushing it. Everything's in there that you need. Reach out to me with any questions, but you can look that up on Amazon. Just search my name and The Panda Diet. Now, ask yourself this question. Have you been micromanaging your calories, yet you just kind of always wind up in the same spot, or frustrated, or feel like you have a lack of willpower? We do not want to micromanage our calories. To do so is to ignore the internal biofeedback, of the body, which will give you things like signals, if you're listening, hunger and appetite. Now, micromanaging, weighing everything out, cutting out complete food groups, this keto nonsense, low carb type of nonsense, that's what it is. It's nonsense, and it doesn't work. And I can say that because if you look at over the long haul, it doesn't work. Diets have a 99% failure rate, because they don't understand brain science, right? And they don't understand how we actually change the body through eating. Now, you change the body through eating by controlling the hormones. Okay, you do that by controlling your eating. Now, I'm not talking about how much. I'm talking about how often you eat. Micromanaging your calories, going down this path of the North American diet and North American diet mentality, is going to always put you back at the same spot. You're going to wind up heavier, most likely, than when you began. Now, it might work temporarily, and it does. I did this when I was competing, before I knew any better. But what would happen is every year when I'd go to get ready to compete again, I would be fatter than the year before. So I had more work to do. I was causing more metabolic damage by just starving myself and doing these crazy things. So, micromanaging your calories is not going to get you anywhere long term. The goal is not to lose weight temporarily. The goal is to transform your body and keep it there. You do that when you start understanding that, and I don't care what anybody says, the only way to do this with the majority of people over the long haul is through fasting. That's it. You can use your mental masturbation and say, well, I can do this, and I can eat 500 calories 6 times a day or 5 times a day, and that's going to get me where I want to be because I'm keeping my carbs low. The whole reason that these fake fitness experts tell you to keep your carbs low is because they correspond that with insulin. Forget about keeping your carbs low. Worry about limiting insulin output. And you do that by eating less often. Very simple. So that's my little rant about micromanaging your calories. And let me just tell you about the brain science. This is a miserable way to live. Walking around with Tupperware, weighing your food, restrict. Your brain is not going to form a habit around anything you find unpleasurable. It goes against the very survival mechanisms of the brain. It will not form a habit around things it does not find pleasurable to do. So you might be able to do this for, when I was in an extreme case competing, 4 months at a clip, and it's miserable. It sucks. And that's from somebody that has a background in this and is overly disciplined. But it's a terrible way to live. Fasting will lead to liberating yourself and breaking your mind free of the shackles of the North American diet. So there you have it. Hit the like button, hit the share button. If you want to be in the Fasting for Fitness Facebook group, just request it. I'll add you into the group. And you can see down below, depending where you're watching this, for our potentially free fasting manual. It's about 10 to 12 pages. Gives you a lot of the science behind this. So thanks for tuning in. Again, hit the like button, hit the share button. You all have a great day. I'll probably be back later today with the mindset video because I got to catch up from yesterday. All right, peace.